How to wear the Oculus Quest 2. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Bimal from How to Geek. In today's video, we will demonstrate you how you can wear the Oculus Quest 2. So make sure to watch the video till the end. Now the first step to wearing an Oculus Quest 2 is to simply adjust the lenses. First of all, make sure to find out your eye distance. There are 3 different spaces available for the lens, so you can go ahead and adjust them left and right or middle accordingly and based on your own preference. And after you do that, the next step is to simply adjust the straps and the tightening of it. So first of all, you have to adjust the side straps. Make sure it fits comfortably in your head. And after you adjust the side straps, you have to adjust the front straps by wearing the headset. So make sure to wear your headset because the sides are already matched, and after that you have to gently adjust the front headset by pulling the straps in and out together. So this is also very simple to do. If you were trying to figure it out, the straps are very easy and commonly in order to go ahead, just like how you pull out the bags on your daily usage. And after that, what you can do is you have to simply adjust the angles of your headset, so which means that make sure they're resting on your cheekbones properly, and when they're resting properly, you know that your Oculus Quest headset is properly connected to your face, and now you can go in and simply wear it as long as they are comfortable. And that's all it takes to wear an Oculus Quest. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. And if you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.